Hi there, I'm Mark from Insightful Retirement, and today we're tackling a topic that could be costing you thousands of dollars without you even realizing it: mistakes on your Social Security check. If you're like most retirees, you trust that the Social Security Administration SSA is sending you the correct amount every month. But what if I told you that thousands of retirees are receiving the wrong amount due to errors, miscalculations, and even missing earnings records? It happens far more often than most people realize, and many beneficiaries don't even know there's a problem until it's too late. Some people are underpaid, missing out on thousands of dollars in benefits, while others unknowingly receive overpayments, only to later receive a demand to pay back thousands of dollars they never knew they owed. So, how do you know if your check is right or wrong? And if there's an issue, what can you do about it? Let's break it all down and make sure you're getting every penny you've earned. How Social Security checks can be wrong. Many retirees assume that their Social Security check is always correct, but the reality is that errors are alarmingly common. A report from the SSA's Office of the Inspector General found that the agency made over $1.1 billion in improper payments, affecting more than 528,000 beneficiaries. Some people were underpaid, missing out on thousands of dollars in benefits, while others were overpaid without realizing it, setting them up for major financial stress later on. Errors happen for a variety of reasons. Sometimes earnings records are incomplete, especially if you change jobs frequently, worked for multiple employers, or had periods of self-employment. Other times, the SSA miscalculates your benefit amount, leading to lower payments than what you should be receiving. For others, the issue is an overpayment, where the SSA mistakenly gives you more than you were supposed to receive. The worst part is that many people never realize there's a mistake until it's too late, and by then, they may have lost out on tens of thousands of dollars or be forced to repay money they already spent. The hidden danger of Social Security overpayments. Receiving too little is bad, but being overpaid can be even worse. Imagine collecting your monthly check for years, only to receive a letter from the SSA demanding you pay back tens of thousands of dollars. It happens every single day to unsuspecting retirees. Take the case of a 74-year-old veteran from Georgia who was overpaid by the Veterans Affairs, VA, and Social Security Administration for nearly a decade. One day, he received a letter demanding he pay back $120,634. Money he had already spent on basic living expenses. His response was, "I ain't got $20. He's not alone. Thousands of seniors are shocked to find out they owe thousands in overpayments, often without any warning. If you receive an overpayment letter, you have options. You can appeal the decision or request a waiver, especially if the overpayment was not your fault, and repaying it would cause financial hardship. But you have to act fast before the SSA starts deducting money from your future checks. How to check if your Social Security payment is wrong. The best way to make sure you're receiving the correct amount is to double-check your records and take action before a problem arises. Start by logging into your My Social Security account on the SSA's website. Here, you can review your earnings history, verify how your benefit was calculated, and ensure all your past work income is properly reported. Many retirees never check their earnings records, assuming the SSA has everything correct. But missing or incorrect earnings can drastically reduce your benefits. If you see errors, you can submit proof of your correct earnings, such as old pay stubs, tax returns, or W-2 forms, to have them corrected. Another important step is to compare your actual Social Security payment to what you were expecting based on your full retirement age and earnings history. If you notice a discrepancy, call the SSA immediately and request a detailed explanation. What to do? If your Social Security check is too low, if you suspect your benefits are lower than they should be, don't wait. Take action right away. First, call the SSA and ask for a detailed breakdown of how your benefit amount was calculated. Request a benefits verification letter and compare it to your earnings record. Second, gather evidence if you believe earnings are missing from your record. Find tax returns, W-2s, or pay stubs that show higher earnings than what's listed on your Social Security statement. Third, file an appeal if the SSA refuses to correct the mistake. You have the right to challenge their decision, and many retirees have successfully gotten their benefits increased after an appeal. What to do if you were overpaid? If you receive a letter saying you owe money back, don't panic, you have options. The SSA allows you to request a waiver if the overpayment was not your fault and paying it back would cause severe financial hardship. If a waiver is denied, you can set up a payment plan to repay the amount gradually instead of losing your entire check at once. Never ignore an overpayment letter because the SSA can start deducting money automatically from your future checks if you don't respond. Avoiding future Social Security errors. The best way to prevent mistakes is to stay proactive about your Social Security benefits. Set a reminder to check your earnings record once a year, especially before you retire. If you experience major life changes like marriage, divorce, or returning to work, notify the SSA immediately to avoid errors in your payments. Another tip is to avoid filing for benefits online without first speaking to an SSA representative. Many retirees accidentally select the wrong benefit type, costing them money over time. Speaking to an expert can help you make the best decision for your situation. So, is your Social Security check wrong? The reality is, it might be, and if it is, you could be losing out on thousands of dollars you rightfully earned. Errors in Social Security payments are far more common than people realize, and many retirees never check to see if they're receiving the right amount. The good news is that mistakes can be fixed. By checking your earnings record, reviewing your benefits, and speaking up if something seems off, you can ensure you're getting every dollar you're entitled to. If you receive an overpayment notice, don't panic. You have rights, and there are steps you can take to reduce or eliminate repayment. I hope this discussion has helped you feel more confident about your Social Security benefits. If you found this information useful, share it with friends, family, or anyone who might be receiving the wrong amount and not even realize it. I'm Mark from Insightful Retirement, and I'll be back soon with more tips to help you navigate retirement with confidence. Take care and make sure you're getting every dollar you deserve.